Welcome back, friends. Today I will be reading to you Act 2, Scene 1 from Divided Loyalties, Stand Up and Speak Out, The Barton Family During the American Revolution, written by Garrett Thompson and illustrated by Barbara Kewok, published by the National Geographic Society. Act 2, Scene 1, the setting, Burlington, New Jersey, 1776. Scene 1, in the Bartons' home at breakfast. Narrator. Tensions are running high in the Barton household. Mary and Robert continue to support the British Crown, while William hopes the family will see the Patriot side. On July 4th, 1776, the colonies declared independence from Britain. The colonies are now officially at war with the mother country. The British have been forced out of Boston, but they control the city of New York. George Washington, the leader of the Patriot Army, has not won any major battles, but the Patriots are not backing down. In New Jersey, the Patriots have placed the royal governor under house arrest and sent him to Connecticut. Though this was a major setback, the Loyalists think that the war will be over quickly. Large regiments of British soldiers are stationed near Burlington to keep order in the town. Robert. I still cannot believe that the rebels have arrested the governor. Imagine, a leader forced from office by a mob. These are hard times. Have you heard anything more from your brother, Mary? Mary. No, I haven't. His wife writes that when the governor was arrested, she and my brother fled to New York. She feels safe there. She suggests we think about going there too. Loyalists there are free to say and do what they want. The British have secured the city. Abigail. But why would we move? This is our home. We're safe here, are we not? Mary. I don't want to move, but it may be wise to at least consider it. Robert. We would be forced to give up our home and the store. William. It's not safe anywhere now. People on both sides are turning on each other. Look at the damage to the store. They smashed the windows and turned over the barrels of pickles, and the farmers refused to sell produce to father. Abigail. Those men had no right to damage our store. Our family has been nothing but kind to the people in this town. Robert. That's true. People are not thinking straight. I don't see how the rebels can defeat the British Army. In the meantime, we'll just have to go about our business. There is no use worrying about something that hasn't even happened yet. William. General Washington is leading the Continental Army, father. He is a fine leader. Robert. Well, he may be a fine leader, but he has not won any battles. Those rebel patriots have no navy, and their army needs guns and supplies. They don't stand a chance. William. I don't know about that, father. The patriots are a pretty determined bunch, and they're determined to govern themselves. Have you read Common Sense? Thomas Paine explains that Great Britain will continue to tax us until we have nothing left. Freedom will cost us, but we will be free. Mary. Thomas Paine is nothing more than a troublemaker. People should have the common sense not to read his pamphlets. Robert. I've heard much about the firebrand patriots, Samuel Adams and Patrick Henry and that fellow Thomas Paine. Paine couldn't keep a job in England, so he came over here to stir up trouble. Speeches and pamphlets are fine, William, but soldiers win a war. Washington's ragtag band can never defeat the British. William. You may be right, father, but I think they're going to try. Abigail. Most of our neighbors are joining the patriot cause, father. Women are knitting socks and scarves for the Continental Army. How can we not help? Why are we loyal to a country that is so far away? Mary. Abigail Barton, what are you thinking? Your grandparents live in London, not Boston. We are British subjects. Abigail. I know that, but many of the patriots are our neighbors and friends. William. We can't hide our heads in the sand, mother. We have to stand up and speak out for what we believe in. Mary. I am standing up for what I believe in, William. Your father and I believe in supporting the king. Robert. Your mother is right, William. I cannot take that oath for the new government. Some may have declared themselves independent, but I have not. William. I think you're making a terrible mistake. Obviously, many others think so too. Robert. We've raised you to speak your mind, William. You may think I'm making a mistake, but I have to stand up for what I believe in. Ben. If the Patriots win, I won't have to learn about the kings of Great Britain any more. William. No, instead you will learn about General George Washington and the other Patriot leaders. Robert. Nonsense. Britain is a great country with a long tradition, and I want my children to learn about it and respect it. The rebels will not beat the British. William. We shall see, father.